Hello, glad to have you join us once again on the 3-day weather forecast. I am Paul Ugbah. This satellite imagery as at Wednesday morning shows active belt of thunderstorm cells over the eastern parts of the country bordering Cameroon areas. These storms are expected much later in the day to propagate further westwards and affect places along its course. And so for the rest of Wednesday, we expect the northern parts of the country to be cloudy with prospects for thunderstorms over the FCT, Abuja and Kaduna State, as well as Ilorin in Kwara State. There are also prospects for thunderstorms over Uyo in Akwa Ibom State and Ijebu-Ode in Ogun State. Other places in the south are expected to be cloudy. For the likely impact from this forecast, places that appear in green are expected to experience no hazard from the anticipated weather, while places that appear in yellow are likely to experience rainfall amounts of about 10 to 20 millimeters. Spots that appear in orange are expected to experience higher rainfall amounts of about 20 to 50 millimeters. And for our temperature forecast, we expect the highest value over Damaturu in Yobe State at 35 degrees Celsius during the day and 20 degrees Celsius at night, while Maiduguri is expected to be 32 degrees Celsius during the day and 23 degrees Celsius at night. We expect 31 degrees Celsius over Sokoto areas during the day and 28 over Guzo areas in Zamfara State, while over the southern parts of the country, the highest temperature of 33 degrees Celsius is expected over Yenagoa in Bayelsa State and the lowest value of 28 degrees Celsius over Uyo in Akwa Ibom State. By Thursday, we still expect partly cloudy conditions to prevail over most of the northern parts of the country, with prospects for thunderstorms in parts of Gombe, Kaduna, and also part of Guzo in Zamfara State. There are also prospects for thunderstorms over the hilly grounds of the Mambila Plateau in Taraba State and also part of Kogi and Ilorin in Kwara State. Thunderstorms are also expected to affect Yenagoa in Bayelsa State and Ijebu-Ode in Ogun State. For the likely impact, no hazard is expected in most places that appear in green, while places that appear in spots of yellow are expected to experience a much higher rainfall of about 10 to 20 millimeters. For our temperature forecast, a slight drop in value is expected during the day over Damaturu at 34 degrees Celsius, and also over Maiduguri we expect 34 degrees Celsius to be maintained. Temperature over Jos is expected to remain 24 degrees Celsius during the day and 18 at night, while over the southern parts of the country, Uyo is expected to be 29 degrees Celsius during the day and 22 at night, and Lagos as well is expected to be 29 degrees Celsius during the day and 24 degrees Celsius at night. By Friday, partly cloudy conditions are still expected to prevail over most of the northern parts of the country, with prospects for thunderstorms in parts of Bauchi and also parts of Kaduna State. We also expect Nasarawa State and the hilly grounds of Taraba State to experience some storms. The southern parts of Enugu and also Lagos and Ijebu-Ode areas in Ogun State are also expected to watch out for some thunderstorms, while cloudy conditions will prevail in other places. For the likely impact, no hazard is anticipated from the predicted weather over places that appear mostly in green. However, places that appear in yellow are expected to experience rainfall amounts of about 10 to 20 millimeters. For our temperature forecast, we expect Damaturu to be 33 degrees Celsius and Maiduguri to be 35 degrees Celsius during the day. Sokoto is expected to be 28 degrees Celsius during the day and 24 at night, while Jos is expected to maintain temperature of 24 degrees Celsius during the day and 18 at night. Over the southern parts of the country, 29 degrees Celsius is still expected over Yenagoa in Bayelsa State and also over Ijebu-Ode in Ogun State, while Asaba is expected to be 32 degrees Celsius during the day and 24 degrees Celsius at night. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day weather forecast. Thanks for watching and see you again.